Class 10 Chapter 9 Tangents and Secants to a Circle. Exercise 2 First bit Fourth problem. You check out in the playlist for the remaining problems. Fourth one. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degrees, then angle POA is equals to how much? We should find POA. If tangents PA and PB from a point P, look at the figure, tangents PA and PB from a point P inclined each other at an angle of 80 degrees. This total angle is APB is equals to 80 degrees. See here this problem same as like example 1. Here proved see once. OP is the bisector of angle APB. Same figure, same as it should draw, but here angle is changed. Here radius is not given. Now see here, OP is the bisector of angle APB. See here, this OP is the bisector of angle APB. Means OP bisects. OP is क्या करता है? Bisect करता है APB को. OP in जैसे bisect जैसे. Bisecting means dividing into two equal parts, two equal angles. Bisecting बोलते क्या? दोनों को equally divide कर रहा. बोलते 60 degrees बोलते 30 degrees 30 degrees. Bisect అంటే ఏం చేస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ 60 degrees ఉంటే 30 degrees 30 degrees అవుతుంది. See here, OP is the bisector. Angle APB is equal to 80 degrees. Angle POA is equal to how much? Now angle APB is equals to 80 degrees. Here angle APB, this total angle is equals to 80 degrees. Now angle will find OPA is equals to 80 degrees by 2. See here, we will find OPA. This angle will find. This angle is equal to how much? 40 will be 80 divided by 2 means here 40. Now 80 by 2 is equals to 40 degrees. Once I am explaining, 80 degrees divided by 2. 2 ones to 2, 40 degrees. Therefore, angle OPA is equals to 40 degrees. Now in a triangle, we will take this triangle APAOP will take. This is 90 degrees. In a triangle AOP, angle O plus angle A plus angle P is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of the three angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Angle O is equals to what? Angle O is equals to, we don't know, we should find. Angle A is equal to 90 degrees. This angle is equal to 40 degrees already we got here, OPA. Now angle O is equals to POA. POA nothing but angle O in the middle. What there? That is only angle. Angle A means 90. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. This is 90 degrees. Plus angle P. This middle letter is angle P is 40 degrees. Is equals to this 180 as it is you write. Now 90 plus 40 you add angle POA plus 90 plus 40 130 degrees is equals to 180. Now angle POA is equals to this 130, right arches side. What happened? Plus quantity becomes minus. Plus है ना वो minus बन जाता. Plus ఉంది కదా అది minus అవుతుంది. 180 minus 130 degrees. Now therefore angle POA is equals to 180 minus 130, 50 degrees. POA is equal to 50 degrees we got. Therefore option A.